Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season ning Werin Pampanga.
Mark Conanan, ning Werin Pampanga.
Abe Mila po ding malagong babae na ning Backyard Bar. So, Ma'am Ina at Ma'am Casio. Sabihin mo, Nanubabo Kabalen.
Nanubabo Kabalen!
Guys, today is Friday and we're gonna chill. We're gonna chill, nah?
Definitely.
So, abayan nyo kami po. We're gonna show everything.
From food to bar,
Exactly.
and later DJs naman. So tara, let's go!
So yun guys, no, aside from of course the cool place na puro DJs, the ambience band ganyan, no. So meron din silang mga pagkain na sinaserve dito, which is parang full-fledged restaurants na lang. So like for example, this can be catered din dun sa labas, pwede silang kumain ganyan.
Meron kaming master menu na nandun lahat ng food dito.
Yes.
Pinapakita namin.
So this is lechon kawale. Yeah.
There you go. So in fairness kay pizzada, mga regular slice. So syempre, takman tayo.
Ay. At mas masarap yan. Di ba yung ibang pizza, pag ininit mo sila, nireheat mo, hindi na masarap. Mas masarap sila pag nireheat.
Wow.
Galing sa mga bumili, tapos inuwi nila, tapos ininit, tapos bigla sila mag-message sa akin na, uy, yung pizza mas masarap siya ngayon. Parang katawa.
Manya-manya pizzada. This is a Hawaiian flavor. So how much yung pizza niya?
Nag-range siya ng 349 hanggang 649.
This is huge size, ha.
Siyempre, sasaw-saw muna. Sa ating toyo may suka na may sibuyas. Na medyo may maanghang. Really?
Wow!
Wow, ano kong, diba?
So guys, no, titingnan namin yung mga pagkain dito. Pero let's go to the bar after this one. Samahan niyo kami.
What's up, Vibers? Alright, it's Friday night. Welcome to BYB. So I want to introduce to everyone one of my good friends. Give it up for DJ Jennifer Lee!
Guys, dito sa Backyard Bar, the newest hangout place in Angeles City. Lahat ng tao good vibe, lahat ng alcohol masarap, lahat ng mix. You and your friends should come and visit this bar. Kasi sigurado, all fun, all games, all good vibes. Pandan, Angeles City. Let's begin!
Grabe, what a night, man. Alam mo klase yung experience kasi.
A full rage party tonight, getting the Backyard Bar.
So guys, halila mo po imikan. Halila mo naman food for us to enjoy. Nepot ang dalupan ka po Lakeni. So available lang mo ng Lakeni. And that's it. Thank you for watching Werin Pampanga. Till our next discovery.
Peace out!
Bye!